Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. This is Python W3 School Series, day 17. In previous videos, we already seen Python escape characters. In today's video, we will see Python string methods. So let's get started. Python string methods. In Python, we have set of built-in methods that we can use on strings. All string methods returns new values. They do not change the original string value. So these are the string methods. We will see one by one. We have capitalize. This is the method. Capitalize parenthesis. So converts the first character to uppercase. Case fold. This is one method. Convert string into lowercase. First we will see all methods one by one, and after that we will see each method in with using example. So if we click on this, open in new tab, we will get capitalize method with example. We will see this later. For now, we will see all string methods one by one. Center returns a centered string. Count method returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a string. Encode method returns an encoded version of the string. Ends with returns true if the string ends with the specified value. Span tabs method sets the tab size of the string. Find method is used to search the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. Format method formats specified values in a string. Format map formats specified values in a string. Index method it is used to search the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. Is all num method returns true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric. Alphanumeric means alphabets A to Z and numbers. Is alpha returns true if all characters in the string are in the alphabet. So is alpha means only that string should contain only alphabets. Then only it will return true. Is decimal returns true if all characters in the string are decimals. Is digit returns true if all characters in the string are digits. Is identifier method returns true if the string is an identifier. Is lower this is one method returns true if all characters in the string are lowercase. Is numeric returns true if all characters in the string are numeric. Is printable returns true if all characters in the string are printable. Is space returns true if all characters in the string are white spaces. Is title this is one method and returns true if the string follows the rules of a title. Is upper returns true if all characters in the string are uppercase. Join this is a method used to combine the elements, joins the elements of an iterable to the end of the string. Ljust this is left just returns a left justified version of the string. Lower method converts a string into lowercase. Lstrip returns a left. L means here left. Returns a left trim version of the string. Makes trans. This method returns a translation table to be used in translations. Partition returns a tuple where the string is parted into three parts. Replace method returns a string where a specified value is replaced with a specified value. Rfind R means right find searches the string for a specified value and returns the last position of where it was found. R index, right index. It is used to search the string for a specified value and returns the last position of where it was found. Rgest. Previously we have seen lgest here. Now here rgest returns a right justified version of the string. R partition. We have partition and R partition. Returns a tuple where the string is parted into three parts. R split splits the string at the specified separator and returns a list. R strip. We have seen L strip previously. Here R strip returns a right trim version of the string. Split splits the string at line breaks and returns a list. Starts with returns true if the string starts with the specified value. Strip returns a trim version of the string. Swap case method swaps cases. Lowercase becomes uppercase and uppercase becomes lowercase. Title method converts the first character of each word to uppercase. Translate returns a translated string. Upper method converts a string into uppercase. Zfill Zfill fills the string with a specified number of zero values at the beginning. These are the methods in the Python for a string. So these are built-in methods. In next video we will see each and every method by using example. If we click on this and open a new tab, we will get this method using one example. So this is the definition of capitalize method and this is the example. And if we click on case fold method and we will see definition and example. In the next video we will see example and definition of each and every method. For now we have seen all built-in methods we can use on strings in Python. I hope everyone clear with these built-in methods in Python. In next video, we will see each and every method elaborately by using examples and definitions. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.